everyone, thanks for tuning in again, and my name is Alicia. This is a skincare and beauty community. If you're new, make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notification button, and also everybody should like this video, leave a comment and share to other people who will be interested to join this community. Today's topic is very dear to me because that was a mistake I was doing in the past, so I'm very positive it's going to help somebody. So make sure you take all the notes you can. Just take as much information as you can to help with your skincare journey so that you don't make these mistakes, and also to take on the good tips and apply so your skin can look its best. Remember to shop all your hair and eyelashes from my website. Let's get straight into today's video. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure that you are always reading the instructions that comes with your soap. That was the biggest mistake I used to make. I used to assume, oh, I know how to use it, I'm using it every day and I'm using it twice a day, but that is a huge error. Don't assume your friend has used it before, or your mom, or any other person you know, and so you just jump straight into using the soap. No, read every single instructions to know how you're meant to use it. It's not every soap you're meant to use every day and twice a day. Some soaps is just maybe 3 times a week, or other soaps is meant to be every day and twice in a day. So always make sure you read every single instructions. That way you are certain that you're using the soap the right way to get the right results that you want. The second tip is that unlike creams and lotions you apply on your skin and you leave it on for the whole day for the ingredients to work on your body, with soaps is different. You have to obviously apply it and then wash it off immediately. So in order to make sure that it's working appropriately on your skin, what I personally do is, especially for the face and neck, I apply it on my face and neck for about 3 to 5 minutes, make it sit on there for the soap to do its work on my skin before I wash it off or go straight into the shower. So it's something that has been working for me. Now if you have got a sensitive skin, please don't stay for that long. Just 2 to 3 minutes max should be fine, so you don't trigger any sort of skin sensitivity which may cause problems for you. It's very important to take heed to this because you might trigger some sort of maybe rashes, inflammation, redness, and you don't want that for yourself. So make sure that it stays on your skin for just 2 to 3 minutes before going to wash it off. And another thing you want to do is, if you've got any sort of allergies or anything your skin reacts to, even if you've not got any sort of skin sensitivity or concerns, it's always important to have a look at the ingredients that was used to make the product. So especially for people who have skin concerns, you find out that you find something in there that your skin doesn't like, and that way you want to make sure that you are not using the product. So an example is fragrances. For most people with skin sensitivity or skin concerns, products with fragrances might worsen your condition, and you don't want to put yourself through that. So have a look at the ingredients list. Make sure you're sure everything on there is going to be good for your skin before you go ahead and use it. Personally, I am allergic to cashew nuts, so anything that has got any sort of peanuts or cashew or anything related to that farm, I don't use it on my skin, or I don't consume it at all. So it's very important that you pay attention to what your skin reacts to and then not use that on your skin. The lightening soap will just not work for you because the sun or that harsh weather condition has changed the components of the ingredients that is meant to work on your skin and give you that glow or make it look even, radiant, all that. It just won't work. So to avoid that, make sure you're storing your soap in a cool, dry place. One of my subscribers reached out to me about this issue, so it's very real and you want to make sure you're taking this seriously. Another mistake you probably have been making is that you don't moisturize your skin right after bathing, or you just don't moisturize it properly in order to lock moisture back into your skin. Now, why do I say this? These lightening soaps are very harsh. It has harsh ingredients, so it can't strip your skin of its natural oils, leaving it dry, ashy, flaky, all that. If you're not moisturizing well, what's going to happen is in the long run you will get aging issues. You get the wrinkles, the fine lines, and you don't want that on your face. So be using a moisturizer right after using the lightening soap to bath or take a shower, whatnot, so your skin can look the best. This next point might be seen insignificant, but it's actually very important, which is when you're bathing, just take your time. Be in the moment, take your time. If you pour on the shower, at some point turn it off, rub the soap into the sponge, rub it onto your skin, allow the soap to take its time and be on your skin for a while. Do work on your skin in order to give it the results it's meant to give it. Unfortunately, for some people, they are in a rush, they are literally having the shower on all throughout, they are under the shower, so the soap literally washes off their body. It doesn't foam or lather that much to work on the skin. It might seem insignificant, but just changing that habit and taking your time to bath, taking that moment to focus on every area of your body from your face down, and making sure that the soap reaches every area of your skin will make a great difference for your body. Whenever you use skin lightening soaps, make sure you use it with other skin lightening products like serums, creams, lotions, and especially you want to make sure you use it with that same brand's product. It doesn't always work out that way, but it's best that way unless you are sure that the other brand's cream or lotion works perfectly for your skin. So for example, if you're using Macari soap, you want to be using it with a Macari lotion, or maybe if you're using KOJIE sun soap, you want to be using it with KOJIE sun lotion or body cream. Again, it doesn't have to be with the same brand. So far as it's a different skin lightening lotion or cream, you want to be using that to quicken the results you want for your skin. This next thing was a big mistake I was doing, so yes, I was guilty of that as well, which is making sure you use a sunscreen. If your skin lightening, is very important to use a sunscreen if it's not winter. If it's any other season and occasionally the sun will be out, make sure you are using a sunscreen. Even if you are spot treating or treating a darker area, you want to use a sunscreen over that area in order to protect the sun from burning that place, because if the sun is burning your skin, then it means you won't see the results you want, because the sun is putting your skin back into the condition that you are trying to heal your skin from. So always make sure you put on a sunscreen regardless the season, especially if it's not winter. If it's autumn, if it's spring, that occasionally the sun might come out, put on a sunscreen. Another thing you want to bear in mind is skin lightening soaps are not made to tackle a specific skin concern, and by this what do I mean? It will tell you a list of things it does, which is hyperpigmentation, spot treating, helping with anti-aging, and the list goes on and on and on. So for example, if you're using the soap because maybe you want to get the darker knuckles fading and all that, whilst you're bathing with the soap, you also want to be doing a treatment or using a specific cream or lotion or whatever product that tackles specifically that skin concern. So for me, when I use my skin lightening product, which is Macari, I also do the DIY lemon and baking soda treatment for my knuckles. I hope you guys are clear on what I'm saying, which is if you are using it to tackle a specific problem, yes, use the skin lightening soap, but also alongside get a product that specifically tackles that issue and nothing else, because the soap is very generic. It tackles a lot of issues and it doesn't zero into a specific issue it tackles. So make sure when you're skin lightening, you are also using a product that tackles that specific area you want to treat. Okay? Also, please bear in mind not to use skin lightening soaps if you have skin peel. By this, what do I mean? So maybe you've gone for this facial procedure which removes the first layer of your skin off, or the dead skin off your face. You need to make sure you heat to the duration you have been told that your skin will rejuvenate. Once that duration has been spent, then you can go ahead and use your skin lightening soap. I'm saying this because if you don't spend the duration for your skin rejuvenation and you use your skin lightening soap, then your skin will burn and your skin will get darker, and you don't want that. So make sure that if your skin peeling whichever part of your body, the place totally heals and rejuvenates first before you use your skin lightening soap. This is a final point, yet a very important point, which is make sure that your skin breathes during your skin lightening journey. And what do I mean? So skin lightening, obviously the ingredients are harsh to your skin, so it's not something you should be using all day every day. So me personally, what I do is I skin light for 2 months, and then I do 1 month of no skin lightening. So no skin lightening means I'll use products like Palmer's, cocoa butter and all that, all those non-skin lightening products for about a month, and then I hop back onto 2 months skin lightening, and then I'm off for a month and hop back on again. You want to make sure your skin breathes. At some point your skin shouldn't be lightening at all, so that it can take its time to rejuvenate and have that period that it is resting, not getting in contact with any sort of skin lightening agents. Make sure you heed to the points I have raised in this video. They are all very important. I promise you, if you do this, your skin game will change. You get the results that you want. Your skin will look vibrant, it will glow, it will look younger, all those blemishes will be gone for good, and yes, you will be happy with your skin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do take care, and let's meet in the next one.